Alright guys, welcome back to Jeremy's Tech, and today's video we're going to take a quick look and unboxing of this Samsung SmartTag2. So this one I got it just recently, and I thought why not upgrade to the latest one because now it's available at a pretty decent price. When it first launched in Malaysia it was a bit high, but after a few months it had a sale, so I managed to get one pack here just for myself to upgrade and try it out for myself. I am using the Galaxy SmartTag1, which is still working. Right here you can see just the condition of it. You can see it's really bad. It still works, so if I press on it I still get the sound, so I still can use this, but I'll probably hook onto something lighter because this one it can break anytime already, so I just don't want to like hook onto anything anymore. So I'll probably just put it somewhere, or maybe just hook on something lighter as I said. So I'll be testing this one instead. It's a new one I want to try on my Galaxy device, so I'll be linking to my Samsung account obviously and setting everything up on my Galaxy device. So I'll show you guys how to do that in this video, so let's do it. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so we have the SmartTag2 here with me, and I'm going to be unboxing this thing and setting up my Galaxy SmartTag2 with my Galaxy device. So the device I have here is my S21 Ultra, and yeah, we should have no problems linking to this one. As long as you have a Galaxy device, you should be able to connect without issues because this one has a Bluetooth LE connection and also UWB. So we're going to be setting up. Let me just open the box first, and then we can take a look at the device more closely, how big it is and the size and everything. And we're going to hook it obviously to my my keychains or something, my car keys, just to see how it looks like, and also do a quick comparison with the old one I have right here. So yeah, I'm just going to compare it like physically and how it looks and the size and everything. So let us open this thing first. So let me get my knife first, and we're going to open this one and see what's inside. Alright, so I have my knife here. Let us cut the seal. So the seal behind, let me just cut it out. Alright, I've cut the seals behind, so let us take a look at the SmartTag2. So the one I got here is the black one. Alright, take a look. So this is what you get, the SmartTag itself. Wow, so this is actually way more compact than the one I have right here. So you can see this is like so big. It's like way bigger in terms of the width, but this one is slimmer. So this, let's see the thickness of this thing. Yeah, it is slimmer a bit. So we have the tag itself, we have the speaker right here, we have this pull tab. Once you pull it, battery starts to be used. And yes, other than that, that's pretty much it. What else we get? We obviously get this quick start guide. If you don't know what you're doing, you can obviously take a look at this. So it teaches you how to change the battery looks like, and I think this one has a better way of changing the battery than this thing. This one, changing the battery on this one was a nightmare, so yeah, this one I think has finally solved it, which is amazing. So let us take a look what else we get. We got the ejector tool. Looks like a pin to eject the battery. So I'm gonna take it out first to show you. So this is the pin. It looks like a SIM ejector tool, to be honest, but I think you can use it as well like that. So based on the guide, if you can see, yeah, you can obviously pull, and then the thing comes out, and then you can change the battery. So I think it's, yeah, you can see there is a little hole right there. So there's a little hole there. This is where you poke it in, and that's where you can take out the battery, which is what I really wanted. And I think this is really a good solution for long-term users who want to buy a lot of batteries. You can obviously stock on those batteries, and once the battery starts to deplete, you can then change it really pretty fast with this pin here they gave you. So yeah, pretty nice. And I'm gonna take this out because I want to use it. So we're gonna take it out, which means the battery has started, and here you have the sound, which means it's on. And now let me get my phone so we can configure this right away. Alright guys, so finally it popped up. It took some time, but you should get this pop-up screen. You can add the tag, so just add, and there we go. Now you can see on my phone. Oh, let me see, Galaxy SmartTag2. So you have to agree. So getting everything ready, connecting to your tag, which is right here. Keep your phone close to your tag, so just put it quite close, and then yeah, just wait for a moment here. So now they ask you to press the button, so just press the button right here. Alright, so that's to indicate it's a correct tag, and done. So now the tag is registered on my Samsung account. So I was gonna call this SmartTag2 because I have another tag already. Alright, it says IFM update. We're gonna do it later. So let's take a look at some of the features that we get with the SmartTag2. So you can obviously view it in the map. You can find your phone with it. Right now it's off. There's some automation features. So these are some of the features that was I already had it in the old one, with the SmartTag1. And we have a power saving mode. This one wasn't available in the first one, so this is nice. And the battery, I believe it can last 500 days, which is what they claim. So we can't test it out obviously because I just got it. So we'll see after 500 days, is it really true? It can last that long, but only time will tell. But you can also play the sound and the ringtone. It also sounds pretty similar to the SmartTag1. But I always like this one because, as I said, from the quick start guide, if you saw, you can change the battery way easier than the first one. This one was a nightmare to change. As I said, you need some tools to take out the casing for this one, which is very annoying. So this one was a really major upgrade for me. It was really good. So I'm gonna test this out and see how it fares. And I'm gonna hook this obviously to my car keys maybe, or anywhere, anything I want to hook, luggage bag, whatever. So yep, very nice to have. And yeah, other than that, that's it. Obviously you can view the map. You can obviously track wherever this thing is hooked to, which is amazing. And the best thing is, if you lost something and you want to track this one, you still can find it using UWB, which is the feature that this tag has as well, and also my phone has it as well. So yeah, that's a pretty amazing thing to have. And speaker is quite loud as well, pretty nice. Yep, so you can see I have two tags connected. This one is my old tag, so I guess both tags can be connected together, but pretty cool. Yep, I think that wraps up this video. This is just an initial setup and unboxing of the Galaxy SmartTag2. What do you guys think? I think this is a very nice device. I will be testing it out. This is just an initial look of the device and everything. And yeah, I think it's a very worth it deal if you want to buy a couple of these and hook onto your things, onto your luggage, your pet, can be anything you want to track. I think it's really good to have this device. So yep, that's pretty much it for me, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. This is a quick short little video regarding the Galaxy SmartTag2. Peace.